now I'm almost praying that this thing is gonna make me overheating so bad. I think the water pump is already out, but I'm coming from work, probably 100 degrees out there, and damn, it sucks, but I have to make it home. I don't want to call the towing company because I know it's probably gonna be like 250 bucks or 300 bucks. I'd rather use that money for parts, but hopefully I don't regret it later on. But this thing is running on the hot. Y aquí está su corazoncito. No sé cómo lo voy a hacer, pero lo tengo que reconstruir. Tenemos partes, todo. Ahora ya tenemos las partes nuevas, pero voy a hacer una reconstrucción internal del motor porque esa Nissancita no la vamos a dejar perder. 86. 4 cilindros, 8 bujías, la tenemos que rescatar. Ahora una pintadita, se vea bonito, que se note que lo trabajamos y que se vea profesional. Voy a echarle este primer que es blanco de alta temperatura y vamos a pintar este motorcito de color rojo. Aquí ya lo tenemos primeado, el coco que nos falta y vamos a echarle esta pinturita. Y ahí es suficiente. Still working with the Nissan D21, and we broke a bolt from the exhaust manifold, which it was that one. Time to put the new one and complete this engine as soon as possible because a little truck over there needs to be on the streets. And here it is, finally running. We put the engine on the truck. We put a whole interior from another d21 that I have the extended cab. So I replaced the whole thing. The seats, center console I had already bought it. Steering wheel, steering column, power steering, carpet. I ended up buying a short throw shifter for the gear and a Dragon Ball chip knob. So let's start it. That's the engine that I revealed. Let's check it out. I think I got some loose bolts from the exhaust on the back. But other than that, I mean, it's running good, even running strong.